back to my channel. So today's video is another Rosegal plus size haul. They were kind enough to send me some free stuff, and yeah guys, I'm really excited because I really like their stuff. So now I'm gonna show it to you guys. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Andrea.rodriguez.makeup. And yeah guys, let's get on with the video. So this is the first outfit, and it's a jumpsuit. It has a zipper right here that it works, another one right here that works as well for a pocket, and then it's navy blue with white stripes, which I like. It's also a long sleeve, but I like doing this to it. And then I don't know if you guys can see, it has a little elastic band right here, so it makes like your waist look really nice. And the only thing is that the pants part doesn't go all the way to your ankles. It's kind of like right there, so I think you guys can see. So yeah, that's the only thing, but I really like it. Oh, it also has pockets, and this is the bag. It's really nice whenever you want to go to a party, to a dinner or something, and you don't know what you want to wear. This is something super quick and easy, really pretty. And I'll leave the sizes and the price and all the links of everything that I got down on the description below. And again, I'll put the size and the price so you guys know. So yeah, this is the first thing. Really cute. I really like it. And yeah, so the next thing, I'm actually really sad because it didn't fit. It was too small for me, but it's actually a really different thing that I have never seen in my life before. So it's a shirt. It's a button-up shirt, long sleeve, but like one side is white and the other one is gray or black with white, and it's just like this. So you put it on, and in the front it has some ruffles with little like silver like pearls, and then it has more ruffles right here, and the white side is just plain white. And then the cool part is that it has, this is so hard to show like this, but you put it on like this, and then you get the wraps. What's the other one? So you get the wraps and you wrap it around your waist, do a little bow, and that's how it's supposed to look like. I know this is a bad representation, but I'll post right here the picture of the model wearing it. It doesn't fit, so I cannot show it to you guys, but I'm actually trying to lose weight, so I'm excited to wear this. So this is like my goal shirt right now. And even though I got this one in a 2XL, I'm a US XL on tops, and it doesn't fit. So, and I think this is the biggest size they have, but I mean, I'm happy with this, you know. I actually, when I was trying this one on, it was kind of like awkward to like put it on, because like you have to pull it like super up like this, and then to be able to like put your hands inside, you know. It was awkward, but I really like this one. And this one, I love it, but it doesn't fit, and I'm sad. Okay, so they also, well, that was the only two clothing items that I got, because I didn't want to just get clothes, so I got accessories. So let me show you. So the next thing is a wig. I got a wig, and I got a black one. So it just comes in like this Ziploc bag, and it says like what you got, and it say black. It just says black, but it's the color of the wig. So this is how it looks like. It's super long. I think this is a 22 inches. So then it has like this little net that you have to take off. So you take it off. This is the thing. And this is how the wig looks like. And it also is a lace front. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a lace front. So I don't really know anything about wigs, but I've always been intrigued with wigs, and I want to get into wearing wigs. So I decided to get this one in black because that's the natural color, but I actually want to get like colorful wigs, but this is the first one. First things first, it's super soft, super long. I'll try it on right now for you guys, but it's super like silky soft. That's crazy, and it's shiny, really pretty, and it's like it has a good weight to it. Like it's thick. So this is how it looks like. So let me kind of try it on and put a bandana or something on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how the wig looks like on, and I put on a bandana just so it looks better, because like I said, this is my first wig, so I don't know how to make wigs look natural. So yeah, just throw on a bandana or something. But as you guys can see, the wig is like super long. All the way over here, super freaking long. I love it. I freaking love it. Like I don't know, I just really like it. I always wanted to have my hair this long. My hair is like up to here, so it still has like this much to grow. But yeah, guys, really nice wig. If you want this one, I'll have the link down below. But yeah, guys, freaking beautiful. I love this wig. So if you are like me, you want to get into wigs, but you don't want to break the bank, just get one from a Rosegal. They're freaking amazing and cheap. Yeah, guys, that was the last thing. And again, I want to say a huge thank you to Rosegal for sending me some stuff to review. I really like their stuff. It's just a little tricky with the sizes, but that's the only problem they have. Really cute stuff and for cheap. So yeah, I really recommend you guys Rosegal. I'll leave some codes for money off down below, so you can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Andrea.rodriguez.makeup. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.